Hey guys, what's up? This is Agent Panda 9, and this is a glitch that I found in Just Cause. First of all, oh yeah, my bad. Whoa, calm down. I'm over here in that little village thing, which is way down there. So, you take a motorcycle to one of these houses. Whoa, sweet baby Jesus. Then you try to get in. Oh, for reals? Oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it might work. Yeah, it can work. Okay, cool beans. So, you park it on one of these things, and then you get off, and it, like, teleports you to the roof. Bad kitty.
Ow!
Okay.
Alright.
So yeah, once again, there you go. Okay, peace out guys.